Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll talk about what a customer is and how to create, edit, disable, and delete one in Birdview. Let's dive into setting up a customer. First, click on your name in the bottom left corner, select Company Settings, and then click on Customers. If you already have a list of customers, you can import them using a CSV file. To manually add a customer, click the Add Customer button in the top left. Fill out all the relevant information about your customer, including the organization name, address, contact details, and any additional notes. You can also set a preset hourly billing rate based on any existing contract you have with the customer. Let's take a look at the impact of setting a customer-based billing rate. Open a project, and right here you'll see the associated customer. Go into the project's financial information, and under the Targets section, you can set the billing type to Time and Material and select the customer's hourly billing rate. This allows you to ensure accurate billing based on the specified rate for this customer. Sometimes, customer information changes. If this happens, simply go back to the Customers section in Company Settings and make your edits, whether it's the address, billing rates, or other details. Any changes you make will be automatically saved. If a customer is no longer part of your organization, you can choose to either disable or delete them. For data integrity purposes, we recommend disabling customers rather than deleting them. To do this, click the toggle at the top to disable the customer. Disabled customers will no longer appear on the customer list in the project details. If you do wish to delete a customer, keep in mind that they can only be deleted if there are no active projects or users associated with them. For more tips on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.